Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this GoLance review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Exploring the GoLance Freelancer platform, a comprehensive review. This video dives into the GoLance freelancing platform, examining its key features, target audience, and why it might be a valuable resource for your freelance career. GoLance offers a comprehensive suite of tools for both remote workers seeking opportunities and businesses looking to hire skilled talent. The platform distinguishes itself with a user-friendly interface, transparent pricing, and a focus on cultivating lasting professional relationships. Unlike many other freelancing platforms, GoLance prioritizes flexibility, catering to freelancers across a wide range of industries, from IT and marketing to content creation, design, and beyond. A particularly compelling feature is its competitive fee structure. Freelancers enjoy a flat service fee of just 7.95%, which is notably lower than many industry competitors, allowing you to maximize your earnings. GoLance also provides various withdrawal methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, and direct bank transfers, ensuring hassle-free access to your hard-earned income. For freelancers, GoLance offers the necessary tools to create a compelling professional profile. This includes portfolio uploads and dedicated sections to showcase your skills and previous projects. The client base on GoLance typically consists of businesses and entrepreneurs seeking talent for both short-term gigs and long-term projects. Furthermore, GoLance actively encourages hourly contracts, incorporating a built-in time tracking feature to guarantee accurate billing and transparent reporting. A unique aspect of GoLance is its integrated reward system. Both freelancers and clients accumulate loyalty rewards based on their platform activity and engagement. This adds an extra incentive for long-term collaborations and enhances the overall value proposition. Moreover, the platform actively fosters a global network, connecting freelancers with clients from all corners of the world. If you're a freelancer searching for a dependable platform with competitive fees, robust features, and ample opportunities to establish enduring client relationships, GoLance is certainly worth considering. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information and to get started on your GoLance journey. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your freelancing endeavors.